This circumstance can have an effect on humans, dogs, or even cats and isn't always handiest painful, however may be existence-threatening. There remains a whole lot that we do not know approximately pancreatitis in cats. However, thankfully, the Veterinary Network's information base has grown over the years, so there are matters we will do to assist save you and deal with this disorder. What is pancreatitis? Pancreatitis is a circumstance or disorder of the pancreas that actually method irritation of the pancreas. This irritation results in a number of problems that in the long run purpose ache and digestive problems in cats. The pancreas sits inside the belly hollow space of a cat's frame subsequent to its stomach. It is a thin, long organ. This is pinkish in color. Normally it assists inside the digestive procedure via way of means of generating numerous enzymes in addition to hormones that assist alter insulin. If a cat has pancreatitis, those ordinary capabilities can be affected and secondary issues in different components of the stomach may arise. Common secondary issues consist of problems with the gallbladder, liver, and intestines, because of the near proximity of those organs to the pancreas. Typically, pancreatitis is mentioned both as acute or persistent, respectively, which means it both passed off quick after which lasts for days or it has lasted months or once in a while years. Cats usually enjoy acute pancreatitis and this irritation reasons issues with the normal capabilities of the pancreas. Some cats that enjoy an acute pancreatitis can even have normal flare United States off pancreatitis, that's then called persistent pancreatitis. Symptoms of pancreatitis in cats. In cats, pancreatitis can purpose a number of signs. Abdominal pain. If your cat has belly or stomach ache, it could cry out, hiss, or try and break out in case you try and chews it up or appear to have trouble getting kushti whilst mendacity down. Your veterinarian also can experience your cat demanding up if there's a touchy or painful spot whilst they may be feeling your cat's stomach. Vomiting. A cat can also additionally vomit for some of motives and pancreatitis isn't any exception. Vomiting can also additionally arise because of the belly ache or digestive problems secondary to the pancreatitis. Weight loss. Cats with pancreatitis are generally dropping weight due to the opposite signs, including vomiting, diarrhea, and anorexia. Lethargy. Just like whilst we do not experience nicely and are not very lively, a cat with pancreatitis will regularly be torpid and now no longer need to transport round very a whole lot. Diarrhea. Since pancreatitis influences the pancreas and the pancreas performs an vital component in digestion, cats with pancreatitis regularly enjoy diarrhea. Dehydration. If a cat with pancreatitis is torpid, it could now no longer need to drink a whole lot water and still have diarrhea. The mixture of those matters can quick cause dehydration. Fever. If there's irritation inside the pancreas, a cat will regularly have an multiplied middle frame temperature. Anorexia. A cat that does not experience nicely, has belly ache, and is vomiting generally does not need to devour very a whole lot. Death. This is of direction and severe reaction to pancreatitis. However, if an acute pancreatitis assault is intense sufficient, it may be lethal to a cat. Causes of pancreatitis in cats. Surprisingly, little or no is thought approximately pancreatitis in cats. In different species, pancreatitis takes place whilst the digestive enzymes, amylase, lipase, protease, etc. that the pancreas produces are activated prematurely. These enzymes generally get activated inside the small gut once they tour out of the pancreas through the pancreatic duct. However, with pancreatitis, those effective digestive enzymes are activated inside the pancreas in advance than they have to be. This results in the pancreas itself being digested, in place of the meals inside the small intestines, and reasons irritation in addition to the opposite signs. It also can arise with bodily trauma to the pancreas. In cats, however, there's no regarded definitive purpose of pancreatitis. Diagnosis. Aside from the bodily signs, pancreatitis in cats is likewise identified with the useful resource of blood tests. The white blood mobillar count, pink blood mobillar count, organ characteristic tests, and a particular check known as a Tomcat pancreatic lipase immunoreactivity check (FPLI) are generally performed. X-rays and ultrasound will also be advocated via way of means of your veterinarian. It may be hard to diagnose a slight shape of pancreatitis in a cat. It is idea that many cats with persistent pancreatitis regularly cross undiagnosed due to this trouble. Treatment. Veterinary remedy is wanted if a cat has an acute pancreatitis. In order to permit the pancreas to relaxation and heal, oral ingredients will want to be stopped, so IV remedy will want to be started. Antibiotics and ache medicinal drug can also be given along different medicinal drugs to deal with your cat's particular signs. Most cats may be hospitalized for numerous days whilst those remedies are being administered to them. Oral meals will slowly be reintroduced as your cat begins off-evolved feeling higher and the signs of pancreatitis solve. If your cat has a persistent pancreatitis, it could enjoy flare United States off signs that can be awful sufficient to require veterinary intervention. These flare United States may want at-home, symptomatic care, including dealing with vomiting, syringing fluids, and administering oral medicinal drugs. Is pancreatitis contagious? Even though no person truly is aware of precisely why pancreatitis takes place, we do realize that pancreatitis isn't always a contagious disorder. This isn't always something you want to fear approximately any other puppy or yourself contracting. How to prevent pancreatitis in cats? Pancreatitis is a painful and detrimental disorder, so if there are matters which can lower the possibilities of it happening for your cat, it is a superb concept to comply with the one's instructions. Since no person is aware of what the precise purpose of pancreatitis is, your veterinarian may be the first-rate character to provide recommendations on what your particular cat wishes to lower the chance of pancreatitis. They can also additionally propose a particular weight loss program or complement that has been proven to help pancreatic fitness in cats or to hold your cat at a really perfect frame weight. Chronic pancreatitis flare-ups, in contrast to acute pancreatitis, are something which you have to be capable of control and manipulate, even though. Watch for any symptoms and symptoms of modifications in meals intake, activity, and bowel actions in case your cat has formerly been identified with pancreatitis. If your cat begins off-evolved vomiting or displaying belly discomfort, you then definitely have to touch your vet straight away to keep away from in addition headaches of diabetes mellitus and exocrine pancreatic insufficiency. Both of those sicknesses may be due to uncontrolled, persistent pancreatitis in cats because of the harm carried out to the pancreas.